Although President Muhammadu Buhari has always been observing the greater Eid with his kinsmen in Daura, this is the first time he is doing so as democratically elected leader of Nigeria. Daura Eid ground was therefore filled to capacity as Muslims, including the paramount ruler of the emirate, Alhaji Farooq Umar Farooq, joined their son, in whom they are well pleased to worship and thank Allah for his blessings.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
The acting chief imam of Daura Central Mosque, Malam Sufyan Yusuf Dansangwai, admonished the congregation to remain upright, be obedient to Allah, and get prepared to submit to his will, no matter the circumstances, as exemplified by Prophet Ibrahim. He said lessons of piety, love, peaceful coexistence, sacrifice, and selflessness in service to humanity must also be upheld. The imam offered prayers to Allah to guide, and grant President Muhammadu Buhari and other leaders of the nation the wisdom, courage, and capacity to meet the huge expectations of Nigerians for a better society. The president had earlier, in a message of felicitation, assured Nigerians that their safety, well-being, and progress remain uppermost in his thoughts and actions, promising that he will continue to work with all his might to deliver positive changes in national life. He, however, called for more patience, understanding, tolerance, patriotism, and greater willingness by the people to make personal sacrifices for the good of all. At the Eid ground, President Muhammadu Buhari was given the honor to perform the symbolic ram slaughtering on behalf of the chief imam.
Shugaban.
All the title holders in Daura Emirate later took turns to pay homage to the president. The Katsina State Governor, Aminu Bello Masari, also led senior government officials to pay Sallah homage to the president at his Daura residence.
It is our responsibility to come and pay our respect and pay homage to the president. Here is where the president has 100% support. And his support here cut across party lines. And the people of Katsina are comfortable, and we believe that the president at the end of the day will deliver Nigeria for good.
In the meantime, President Muhammadu Buhari has left Katsina for the 70th session of the United Nations General Assembly in New York, United States. From Katsina, Adamu Sambu, NTA News.